I was faced with this home that we had rented to, well, not really rented, my sister lived there, and we needed to sell it. She moved out, and we weren't sure how to proceed because we knew the house was not in good shape. It needed a lot of work. So I started just Googling online, looking for places that advertised that they would look at homes as is. And Fair Deal was one of a number of folks that we brought in. Honestly, I was kind of scared when I started into this and not very trusting because of being burned in the past. So I decided to trust him. I felt like I had a good connection with him. When I did some research about your company, it looked trustworthy, and so I decided to take a chance. And I would tell people, absolutely.
So we wanted to go to good people.
Exactly. You guys were on top of it. Everything from the financial communication to the understanding about how to develop kind of the unique and creative contract that you guys helped us to create. Just every aspect of it has been smooth. You got back to me immediately. Everybody in the company would call me or email me or both. And so, communication was outstanding. Navigating selling a home that needs work and involves some touchy situations. Navigating that can be very challenging and unnerving, but you all made it very clear-cut, very honest, very direct and simple. And I would say, it sounds a little cheesy, but I do feel like we got a fair deal from you all. I felt like it was excellent.
We love you.